Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix on-screen keyboard is not working in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very simple problem and I give the multiple solution to fix this problem. So let's go to our video. Our first solution is very simple. Go to the start and here we find settings. Click on the settings. In settings, we find many options. Scroll down and find easy of access. Click on easy of access. In easy of access, go to the right hand side and scroll down and find keyboard. Click on the keyboard. In keyboard, here we find use the on-screen keyboard. It is off. Click it here and it is on your keyboard on your PC or laptop. Close it. This is our first solution. Close it. If this solution is not work for you, then I give the second solution. Our second solution is also very simple. Go to the taskbar. Go to the taskbar. Right click on your taskbar. Here we find show touch keyboard button. Click at here or check this show touch keyboard button. Check it. Here you find new keyboard options, touch keyboard. Click at here and your touch keyboard is open. Click at here. If it's not opening, then go to our next solution. Our next solution is also very simple. If it's not opening, then go to our next solution. In my case, my touch keyboard is not opening, so I remove from here and I go to my third solution. Our third solution is also very easy and simple. Go to the start. Here type services. Click on the services. In services, we find many options. Here find touch keyboard and handwriting panel services. Find touch keyboard and handwriting services. If it's disable, enable or anything other than the running, then click at here. Click at here. Touch keyboard and handwriting panel services. Okay. And right click on it, click on the properties. Here we find startup type. It is always on the automatic. Make sure it is automatic. Make sure click on the automatic. Click on the apply. It is service status is stopped. We want to running. Click on the start. Wait for a few seconds. It is running now. Here we find startup type is automatic and service status is running. And once again go to the here this dependency. Here we find dependency. Click on the dependency. Here we find three options is important. Remote product call, RPC, TCOM service and RPC service. These three services are running in the your service. So I click at here and I first go to the DCOMO and make sure right click on it and make sure right click on it. Click on the properties. Make sure it is automatic and service status is running. If it is not automatic, then make sure it is automatic. Then go to the here apply, start it and click on OK. Same thing with our next option RPC ending point mapper. Right click on it, click on the properties. Make sure startup type is automatic and service status is running. If it is not automatic, then go to the here, click at here and make sure it is running. Okay. And last option is here we find remote procedure call RPC. Right click on it, click on properties. Same thing, automatic and running and start. It is very IMP. If it is not automatic, then make sure it is automatic. Click on OK and close it and make sure go to your keyboard and type Control then Windows key and O button on your keyboard and your on-screen keyboard is opening now. That means your problem is solved. You solve your problem successfully. Your on-screen keyboard is now working on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.